Last year, I was displaced from Khartoum, the capital of Sudan, to Port Sudan, a coastal city on the Red Sea. To my misfortune, I arrived at the hottest and most humid months of the year. Because of the ongoing war back at Khartoum, Port Sudan could not cover its power generation expenses, culminating in severe deficiency, where blackouts would stop only a few hours a week. Unfortunately, I have skin, ocular, and nasal allergies, and a flare-up in one would usually trigger the others. Fast forward 3 months, I arrived in Saudi Arabia with irritated skin filled with blisters and rashes that I could barely wear clothes or walk under the sun for half an hour. I had to stay indoors for 3 days while incessantly applying heavy moisturizers, which brings me to my choice for this project, clothing fabrics. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC systems, account for significant energy consumption in buildings, 59% in residential and 36% in commercial spaces, yet are often inefficient, leading to wasted energy, higher greenhouse gas emissions, and inadequate thermal comfort for over 20% of occupants. Conventional air conditioners consume most of their energy by removing humidity rather than cooling, and are ill-equipped to handle a hotter, more humid future. With global temperatures projected to rise, the frequency and severity of heat waves will escalate, threatening millions of lives annually and further straining energy-intensive HVAC systems. Personal thermal management (PTM) technologies offer a promising alternative by regulating the microclimate around individuals rather than cooling entire spaces. PTM systems, including wearable and localized solutions, can enhance thermal comfort, reduce energy consumption by 15 to 30%, and mitigate the growing carbon footprint of conventional climate control methods, making them a sustainable and efficient solution to address the challenges of a warming planet. Imagine a world where clothing adapts to your environment, a world where what you wear keeps you cool in the heat, warm in the cold, and reduces the impact on our planet. This is the vision behind Sirbaal, a biomimetic fabric inspired by nature's genius. Sirbaal has the potential to redefine how we think about clothing. We are starting with cooling fabrics, but that is only the beginning. Sirbaal draws inspiration from nature's most efficient systems. Its design will cool body temperature by mimicking structures found in sweat glands and silver ants, ensuring comfort in any hot environment. The vision for Sirbaal goes beyond comfort. By reducing reliance on external thermal regulation, Sirbaal could significantly lower energy consumption, making it a key player in sustainable innovation. From extreme outdoor conditions to everyday wear, Sirbaal will be versatile, durable, and stylish, designed for everyone. Nature has always been our greatest teacher. Let's learn from it and create a better future. Welcome to Clothing Reimagined. Welcome to Sirbaal.